Friday Japan, welcome. Spot the difference? See anything different to standard? Changed the mirrors, look. Got rid of those stupid Mickey Mouse ones, and I've made my own custom set. I think it looks much better. It's much less offensive to me. I really hate those big stick up in the air ones. So what I've done is I got a strip. Let me show you this side. I'll show you it more clearly. That has a strip of aluminium, about 2mm thick, probably 12mm by 2mm. I don't know, I didn't measure it, but a shaped one is attached to the top of the headlight bolts. I attached one, bent it out a little bit, so got the holes drilled in the right position, so that can go in. And I twisted it to really match the contours of that, so it came out at that angle, sort of matching the bodywork. Problem is, I put the mirrors on, tested it, they're buzzing about way too much, so to strengthen it, I've just put another bar from that bolt, and had to attach it there with a separate smaller bolt because the mirror thread was too short to go through those bits of metal, so I had to join it on just next to it. So anyway, just little problems like that you got to fix when you're doing these kind of things yourself. But I've been out on it today, tested them, hit some high speeds, and they stay fine, they stay strong. Vibration, there's a little bit of buzzing, but certainly no worse. In fact, I would say they buzz less than the standard ones, because the whole bike's vibrating, isn't it, when you're especially at idle. If you actually look in your mirror next time you're stopped at a light and actually notice how much the mirrors buzz, they do shake about a bit more than you might think. Or this bike anyway. I don't know about modern bikes, I might have sorted it out more. Anyway, so they work fine. My only complaints with, because this actual mirror is just from Amazon, yeah, and I've made the brackets myself. My only complaint is that glass is too magnified. It's when I see a car in the mirror, it looks way closer than it really is. And even that, I've got used to it now. My brain automatically does a calculation because I'm practicing. Oh, Kawasaki there. Obviously I'm practicing using them. I've got used to it. My brain automatically does a calculation, so I see the car looks a certain distance, I check over my shoulder and then I see it's further back than it looks. So anyway, I've kind of got used to them now. And also obviously the visibility in them isn't as good as standard. They are lower down, they're smaller, and my hand is more in the way because they're more like there. But I've got a technique now of just sort of ducking my head down and moving my elbow in a little bit. I haven't got a problem with them at all anymore, just a little bit of practice and I've sort of nailed it. And they look so much better. They look so much better. But problem is, where I've sort of flushed the top down a bit, it's made the indicators stick out more to me. They look dorky anyway, but they're offended me even more. So I've got some flusher ones. They'll sit closer to the bodywork. I'll put those on next, and I should be happy with the front end. And also, if you do something like this to your bike, there's just 2 holes left where the other mirror is attached. So I just painted some bolt heads black and just threaded those through 10mm. Okay, cool, so let's get on this road. Guess where I am? Look familiar? I doubt it, but this road is famous. It's a racetrack in a lot of computer games. This is Naruto Skyline. So I'll put the camera on the front of the bike and show you a bit of it. Got the camera, I'm going to stop at a nice scenic bit just down the road. I'm not going the whole route. Also, open face helmet, so I can't go too fast. stopped at this little park. The name makes me laugh. It's called Yo Mommy Park. Probably Japanese probably pronounce it Yo Mommy, but to me it sounds like Yo Mommy. Anyway, I'll show you the view, and that'll be the end of this video. That's it. Cool. Thanks for watching.